Making insoluble salts. We talked before about making soluble salts, whereas now we'll see how to make insoluble salts. We'll start with the precipitation reaction. To make an insoluble salt, you do a precipitation reaction. Precipitation means to deposit in the form of a solid. So as you can see here, we have a precipitation of silver chloride. A precipitate is a fine solid that is formed by a chemical reaction, liquids or gases. For example, here we obtained a precipitate of a white color. The silver chloride here is obtained from the reaction between silver nitrate and sodium chloride. So silver nitrate plus sodium chloride reacts to give silver chloride plus sodium nitrate. Silver chloride is the white precipitate here. So this is how precipitation reaction occurs.